Today I'm going to show you how to make vertical stacks in your project. When you begin working with Revit, you will notice that even in 3D views, all of your actions are limited to horizontal plane. Therefore, drawing vertical stacks of pipes may not be as intuitive as drawing horizontal sections. The pipe elevation can be easily steered through the offset setting, which is located next to the diameter of the pipe. To quickly create a vertical stack, start by creating a straight pipe at an offset 0 and then change offset to 7000. Create another piece of pipe. As you can see, the two horizontal pipes were connected by elbows and a vertical piece of pipe. The vertical piece can be used as a stack, and you can connect horizontal pipes to it, as well as pipe fittings. If you require a more precise method, go to a 2D floor plan and use the section tool. Draw a section line and adjust the section box so it contains the area that you are interested in. The section view can be accessed through the project browser, or by right-clicking the section view and selecting Go to View. This view allows very precise changes and fine-tuning of your vertical soil stack. Last but not least, Wavin prepared a family comprising of two 45-degree elbows and a piece of pipe. Such assembly should always be placed at the bottom of the stack. You can create it by placing a 90-degree bend at the bottom of the stack and changing the default family to the compound one. You can add a pipe segment between the elbows by clicking on a checkbox in the family properties. The length of the pipe segment can be modified by changing the pipe segment length value. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch the rest of the Wavin tips and tricks videos.